Hi ladies, Emily from WTI here. Are you looking for the perfect makeup bag, but you've seen those ones that have gone super viral and they're really trendy? Well, you should check out this one from EACHY. This is that perfect, really cool diagonal zipper design that folds open and makes it have the hugest capacity. You can fit so much stuff in here, but yet it folds up to this beautiful square design that's compact and easy to carry. I love this bag. It's got a fun gold phrase, gold accents, it's got a nice carry handle, and it holds so much. I love the clear divided pocket in the center for those brushes and things that you want to be able to see and have easy access to. It's also got elastic topped pockets on each side that puts things out of sight, and then two really large capacity pockets right in the middle on either side of the divider so that your main items that you want quick and easy to grab are at the perfect access point. Trust me when I say this is going to be your go-to makeup bag. It comes in a wide variety of colors. I love this caramel brown color. It's such nice quality and it's such a super popular design with good reason. It holds a ton, but it folds up compactly. You're gonna love it, but that's just my point of view.